Hey guys, Sylvia here. Hi guys, so just to give you a heads up on what's happening to do with Commission Gorilla version 3 launch. Okay, so they relaunched it for the third time. Now there is still, so it's like the final call if you want to pick it up. If you have not picked it up yet, the time to do it is pretty much now, because as of the 6th of February midnight US, New York time, the deal will be over. Okay guys, so I did do my full review. Also I did some tutorials on how to use Commission Gorilla. It's an amazing tool. It's a bonus page builder, guys. I did my full review when they launched it a week ago. Okay, so watch that review if you're still not familiar with what this product is all about, but in short, it's a cool, like evergreen bonus page builder, very newbie friendly. Okay, here you have the features. I'll attach the link to the sales page below my review, so do check it out and you'll get some amazing bonuses if you do pick it up from me. In my review, I discuss the bonuses I have personally prepared for my buyers. Really valuable, done for me, done for you from me. And this tool, it is a newbie, like 100% newbie proof. Okay, newbie friendly for sure. Okay, me as a newbie 2 years ago, that's the tool I used to use. I used it for the whole year. I loved it. Okay, then I move on to something different that you can actually do for free, but it's more techy. I do talk about it in one of my bonuses, what I use now and how I do it, all of that. You know, grab that bonus from me if you wish. Okay, and then, as they say, it's incredibly easy to use. It's a 100% free page hosting. Okay, so it's all done with less effort. It's no installing. It's obviously cloud-based. Now, they have two deals, guys, quickly as a reminder. They have this limited lifetime version, you know, and there are some codes, like if you apply, they, I think, will give you now around $4 discount, actually, you know, so this these prices minus around $4, whatever the price will be now. It is like gradually, you know, it's been gradually increasing since the launch. So when it launched 5-6 days ago, it was actually $10. Now it's probably around $4-5 discount. Okay, so guys, the front and the limited is around 40 something bucks. Okay, around 40 now, 42 maybe. Okay, and then, you know, it's limited, okay, by its lifetime. Read the features. They're on the sales page, okay, below my review. It's not a review really, it's just like a heads up video, just like a reminder of what's happening with this launch. And this 67 is going to be around 60 bucks now. Okay, is the pro version, and I would really recommend the pro version because you will have some cool additional features, you know, which are really a must for serious marketers. If you're serious about like scaling up your conversion rates and all of that, then that's the you know, the pro version is something you want to have, okay, because you have the countdown timer, attention bars, and a lot of cool features and additional bonuses, very cool bonuses inside of the members area of, you know, Commission Gorilla. As you go to your account, you'll have them bonuses there. But watch my review for full details, okay, because I discuss everything. I'm not gonna repeat myself. What's the point? But this one is a yearly, so it's 12-month pro access included. So you would pay yearly for this pro version, so every year around this amount of money. I think they would charge you the same every year if you did buy it within the launch period while it's on the offer. I am not 100% sure, but I assume so, okay? However, what is very cool with this pro feature, the OTO number one will be the lifetime buyout for around $80–90, something like that. So, you know, if you want lifetime access to Pro Commission Gorilla, you do want that OTO number one, because it's going to give you lifetime access to, you know, Pro version of Commission Gorilla. Okay. And as you scroll, there's a lot of good information. They give you a full demo here on the sales page. It's all very clear, transparent. 10,000 marketers bought this tool, guys. It's been around for years. Okay, people love it. You know, it's almost a must tool for marketers. Okay, so all of the features they mention here, you will find inside of the software. So yeah, that's the members area. Watch my review on full details, watch my tutorials, which I have published over the last few days as well on Commission Gorilla. Very, very actually helpful tutorials, because I used to use this tool myself, so I'm very, very well familiar with the power of it, what it can do. I used to love it, but again, when I was more of a newbie, because it's so newbie friendly, you don't have to be techy, it's so easily done. And with this feature here, the import, because for example, there are vendors who actually will give you the import code for the bonus page, so you have the template ready. All you have to really do is change up the bonuses, which is easily done, takes minutes if not seconds, and paste in your affiliate link, and boom, you have your bonus page ready. Okay, so I used to love it. I really did. I may go back to it, even though the way I do it now is also cool. You know, it's free, and I do show you how I do it in my bonuses, plus some additional features on how I used to create the bonus banners with Canva, which is free. So I talk about it in one of my bonus tutorials as well. Okay guys, love you and leave you again before midnight, the 6th of February, midnight New York time. You have it still available under this special offer. Alright guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.